In the gentle morning haze, as light unveils the day, the narrows whisper softly where the still waters lay. Beneath the surface, flathead and bream silently sway. A dance of shadows and light in the early sun's ray. Anglers cast their hopes in the calm, expecting grace, dreaming of the mellow in a quiet, deep embrace. Line set gently on the water, each in its place, waiting for the pull aside of nature's trace. Softly flow waters deep between the lakes' embrace. The narrows sing of peace beneath the sky's vast space. Here where eagles soar and the gentle currents trace Mallacoota's heartbeats in nature's quiet grace. Kayakers glide their paddles, stirring the serene, through tranquil waters, through scenes so lush and green. From Captain's Creek to where the southwest arms have been, a journey through nature's beauty so vivid and unseen. Majestic seagulls soar, their wings spread wide and sure, over the narrows in a silent, powerful allure. Hunting with precision, their eyes keen and pure, masters of the skies in their reign secure. Softly flow waters deep between the lakes' embrace. Narrows sing of peace beneath the sky's vast space. Here where eagles soar and the gentle currents trace Mallacoota's heartbeats in nature's quiet grace. As the sun climbs high, its golden light spills over, illuminating the narrows where fish and fowl hover. The dance of day unfolds from cover to cover in this land of water. The wild does discover the gentle rustle of the wind through the reeds. It whispers, telling tales of old, of settlers, of fishers. The narrows a cradle of life, a painter's picture, where every moment spent adds to its rich mixture. Softly flow waters deep between the lakes' embrace. Narrows sing of peace beneath the sky's vast space. Here where eagles soar and the gentle currents trace Mallacoota's heartbeats in nature's quiet grace. Evening comes and the light begins to wane. The narrows hold the glow of the sunset's day. Colors blend on the canvas, an artist refrain. Strokes of crimson gold, the visual campaign. Night descends and the stars start to appear. Above the narrows of heavens come near. A tranquil lullaby, the dark waters cheer. Under the moon's soft glow, everything is clear. Softly flow waters deep between the lakes' embrace. Narrows sing of peace beneath the sky's vast space. Here where eagles soar and the gentle currents trace Mallacoota's heartbeats in nature's quiet grace. Morning returns and the cycle starts anew. The narrows wake to skies of a bright and blue. Life continues in rhythm in a daily renew. Between the lakes at the narrows where life holds true. So here's to the narrows, the sanctuary so bold in the heart of Mallacoota.